In an age of information overload, enterprises face problems of noisy data and scattered workflows, resulting in poor business decisions. Meet Needl.ai, a modern solution that unites data, workflows, and teams with AI smarts. Needl.ai's plug-and-play LLM effortlessly handles petabyte-scale information. Needl.ai's solution to elevate information management. Connect seamlessly. Needl.ai brings together streaming data from public, proprietary, and regulatory sources, enabling a single search across them all. Curate effortlessly. Teams can create shareable feeds for regular updates on companies, sectors, or any preferred topic, thus growing collective institutional memory. Converse intelligently. With Ask Needl, our conversational AI, you can ask questions on your data and gain instant, verifiable answers. What's more, you can easily convert tables and texts into PDFs to editable files, summarize lengthy documents to fast-track analysis, convert information cards into editable notes, analyze tones in earnings calls with sentiment analysis, tag and bookmark important pieces of information, use our Chrome extension to save web pages as personal clips. Transform information overload into your competitive advantage. Discover the revolution. Discover Needl.ai.